Today we have seen integration by substitution method. So many problems we have done. Whatever problems I have done, that is generally 2 marks questions, sir. Okay, today we will see the formula base. Okay, look at the formulas. 1 by x square plus a square is equal to 1 by a tan inverse x by a. What is the formula? 1 by a tan inverse x by a. 1 by x square minus a square is 1 by 2a log of x minus a by x plus a. 1 by 2a log of x minus a by x plus a. Then a square minus x square 1 by 2a log of a plus x by a minus x. A plus x by a minus x. Look at this difference. Here x square minus a square is there, x minus a by x plus a. Here a square minus x square is there, a plus x by a minus x. Same formulas with the root. Here there is no root, here we have put a root. So what is the formula? It is sin h inverse x by a. Root is there for second one, cos h inverse x by a, hyperbolic, sir. Last one, root of a square minus x square, sin inverse x by a. So what we have seen? We have seen without root, with root. Okay, here what is important? The x square should be always, the coefficient of x square should be always 1, sir. This is very, very important. X square should have coefficient 1. The simplest example. 1 by x square plus 4. So this can be written dx. So this is nothing but 1 by x square plus a square dx, which is nothing but 1 by 2, 1 by a tan inverse x by a. So this becomes a is nothing but 2 x by 2 plus c. For example, look at here, this is very, very important. If it is given like this, we cannot use the formula directly. First you have to take out 9 common. Dx. So I have taken 9 common. So x square plus 4 by 9. Dx. So what I have done? X square plus 2 by 3 whole square. So 1 by a. A means what, sir? 2 by 3. Tan inverse x by a. 2 by 3. So 3 by 2. 3x by 2. So this 3 and 3 will get cancelled. 1 by 6. 3x by 2. So what I have done? I have taken 9 common. This is very, very important. For example, he has given like this. First we have taken 4 common. Dx. So I will write 1 by 4. Look at here. 1 by x square root 15 by 2 whole square. Now we have to fit into formula. Which formula? 1 by x square minus a square. This formula. Okay, we have to put. Okay, every time we are adjusting into that formula. So what will happen? 1 by 2a, 1 by 2a log of x plus a, x minus a by plus c. Okay, so x minus a by x plus a means we have to convert into standards. So these are direct. Same problems with the root is there. For example, if you put a root, then we have to apply this set of formulas. Please note down. Now from here please understand here. So 1 by x square plus 4x plus 6. Now we have to convert into these standards. Look at the problem here. First, consider x square plus 4x plus 6. Now look at the steps here. Always the x coefficient I consider as 2b. Always I consider x coefficient as 2b. What is the x coefficient here? 4. So what is the b value? 2. Therefore 2 square minus 2 square plus 6. So what I have done? Why I have taken 2b? You know a plus b whole square formula. A square plus b square plus 2ab. We know a plus b whole square is a square plus b square plus 2ab. So I will take always the coefficient of x. X is already a, sir, so that's why it is no problem. So always the x coefficient we take as 2b. So once we get, so what will happen here? Observe here. A square plus b square plus 2ab. A square plus b square plus 2ab. So this becomes x plus 2 whole square. Whatever square we are adding, that you are right here. X plus 2 whole square minus 4 plus 6. So x plus 2 whole square plus 2. This can be written x plus 2 whole square plus root 2 whole square. Means everything should be there. So what I have to do? Every time we have to consider the x coefficient as 2b, then b value will come, square that, add and subtract, sir. The problem will become now 1 by x plus 2 whole square plus root 2 whole square dx. It is 1 by x square a square. So 1 by a tan inverse x by a. So this becomes 1 by a means what? Root 2 tan inverse of x plus 2 by root 2 plus c. So what we have to do? We have to add and subtract. For example, x square minus 8x plus 20 is there. Observe here. Again I have to write 20 minus 2b is equal to minus 8. Here minus sign is there. So what is the b value? 4. So x square minus 8x plus 4 square minus 4 square plus 20. This is a square plus b square minus 2ab. Plus 20. So plus 4. This can be written 2 square. So we have converted. Again which formula it is coming? 1 by x minus 4 whole square plus 2 square, which is in the form of dx a. So 1 by a means what, sir? 2 tan inverse x by a by 2 plus c. Right? So convert into standards. Okay, please note on this. మరి భయంకర వేస్తుంది తిప్పుపోయింది, ఇవన్నీ తిప్పిపోతున్నాయి. రైట్, స్టార్ట్. 1 by what is that he has given? 4 minus 2x minus x square. Observe here. If you understand this, the whole problems will be of the same nature. Okay, consider minus x square, minus common. So what I have done? I have taken a minus common. Again 2b is equal to 2, b is equal to 1, right? So minus of plus 1 square minus 1 square minus 4. So minus of x plus 1 whole square minus 1 minus 4 minus of minus 5. Now bring minus sign inside. I'm putting arrow here. We have taken minus sign. Again we bring back. Never keep minus outside, sir. So this becomes what? 5 minus x minus 1 whole square. This can be written whole square. So integration of dx. So which is in the form of 1 by 2a log of a plus x by a minus x. What is the formula? 1 by 2a log of a plus x by a minus x. So integration, that is 1 by 2 into root 5 log of a plus x root 5 plus x minus 1 by root 5 minus x minus 1 plus c. You don't need to open the bracket, all that, sir. You can read. But what is important here? Okay, we are taking minus common. Okay, whenever x square is a negative sign, you have to take a minus common. Again, you have to bring back again. You have to bring back the formula. So again, what will happen? Because now remember, every time whenever you find minus x square, definitely the formula will be this or this. If the root is there, this will come. Okay, I am not putting roots, sir. I will explain one problem, then every problem is the same nature. So here my a square minus x square. So once x square is a negative sign, compulsorily this formula will come. If the square root with negative x square is there, this formula will come. Okay, these two formulas depends upon the value of a. But otherwise, once x square is minus sign, always you get this formula. Please remember this. Okay, let us see one more problem. Next. Right? Next one is this 3x square plus 11x minus 7. 3x square plus 11x minus 7. Now look at here, most important. First you have to take 3 common. Is it clear? First you have to take 3 common. So 11 by 3 will come. Now I told you always the x coefficient is 2b. Therefore what is the b value? 11 by 6. Therefore 3 into plus 11 by 6 whole square minus 11 by 6 whole square minus 7 by 3. So whatever b value we got, add. Now here when I am writing here, look at here. What we have added, that you should write here. Okay, a square plus b square plus 2ab, x plus 11 by 6 whole square minus 7 by 3. Now again, I am putting a flower bracket. Listen here, this method you have to remember. I am putting flower bracket for this. LCM is 36 minus 84. 3 12s are. So what will happen? It becomes whatever sign we get, we should write here. Don't bother about here minus is there. Again I am repeating. What value we got? Minus 205 by 36. You write as this. What I mean by this? Is it clear to everybody? So whatever sign you get, if you get a plus sign, you write here plus sign. Don't bother about minus. Here minus is there. Minus of minus will not come, sir. Whatever we are taken, all that consideration. That's why I am putting a flower bracket. So whatever sign you get, you write as this. So this becomes 3 into whole square minus root of 205 by 6 whole square. Understood here? Very, very important. That's why I put a flower bracket. Now, therefore, this because what? Integration of 1 by 3, 1 by 4 square dx. Now, which formula? 1 by x square minus a square. So, this becomes 1 by is equal to 1 by 2a log of x minus a by x plus a. Right? X minus a by x plus a. Right? X plus a by x minus a. So what will happen? 1 by 3, 1 by 2a log of x is what, sir? Minus root 205 by 6 by plus c. Right? So what will happen? This cancellation 2 into 3, 6 will get cancelled. Wherever is possible you can do it, sir. Otherwise leave the answer. Here you can take a 6 LCM or leave the answer as this, sir. By 6 by plus c. Right? So what is important here? Taking 3 common and here flower bracket. Right? Right. No dot is. Next. 4x. Now here minus 2x square plus 4x, 5 minus 2x square. Take minus 2 common. So whatever is there, that we have take minus 2 common. So this becomes what, sir? X square minus 2x minus 5 by 2. Is it clear? What I have taken minus 2 common, so it becomes x square. From 4 you have taken minus 2, so minus 2x minus 5 by 2. If you open the bracket, again you get back this. Again minus 2, b is equal to 1. Therefore plus 1 square minus 1 square minus 5 by 2. So minus 2 into x minus 1 whole square minus 1 minus 5 by 2. Again I am putting a flower bracket. Remember this method, sir. Both the values you write in the flower bracket. By 1, LCM is 2, minus 2 minus 5. So what is that we get? Minus 7 by 2. So we got, what is the sign? Whatever sign you get, you write as this. What I mean by this? Minus 7 by 2. Only bring minus sign inside, sir. Only minus sign, not the number. What I mean by this? 7 by 2 minus x minus 1 whole square. Is it clear? Only the minus sign we have to bring. So 2 into 7 by 2 minus x minus 1 whole square. So 2 into root of 7 by 2 whole square minus x minus 1 whole square. Therefore, integration of 1 by, I am writing the problem, is equal to, what is the common I have taken? 2, and 1 by root of 7 by 2 whole square minus x minus 1 whole square. So which formula? 1 by log of a plus x by a minus x. So 1 by 2 into 2a log of a plus x by plus c. Understood here? So this flower bracket is very, very important, and taking common is important. These problems you have to know. We will be doing so many problems based on this, sir. Okay, most important. Please note down this. Next, 4x square. Again, minus 7. 4 common. 4. Minus 2b is equal to minus 1. X coefficient is minus 1. Minus minus will get cancelled. B is equal to 1 by 2. So 4 into So 4 into minus 7 by 4. Right? Now, again, flower bracket. I told you this flower bracket concept you have to remember. Minus 1 by 4. So 4 is LCM. Minus 1 minus 7 minus 8 by 4. So whole square minus 8 by 4. So 4 into minus 8 by means 2. So the integration of 1 by dx is equal to, common I have taken 4, so 1 by 4 right. So this can be written 4 into, right. So this becomes 1 by 4 into which formula? 1 by is equal to 1 by 2a log of x square minus a square x minus a by x plus a, right. So 1 by 4 into 1 by 2a. 2a means 1 by 2 root 2 log of x minus 1 by 2 minus a means root 2 by x minus 1 by 2 plus root 2 plus c. Any cancellation is there, you can do it, otherwise leave the answer. Every time observe here, consider b value, adding, subtracting and flower bracket, because we will be doing so many problems based on this, sir. Note down this. 1 by 2x minus 3x square plus 1. Again, consider plus 1. First what you have to take? Minus 3 common. Minus 3 common. So x square minus 2 by 3x minus 1 by 3. So minus 2 by 3 is equal to minus 2 by 3. So minus minus will get cancelled. 2 also will get cancelled. So what is the b value? 1 by 3. So minus 3 into plus 1 by 3 whole square minus 1 by 3. So this becomes minus 3 into x minus 1 by 3 whole square. Why? A square plus b square minus 2ab. Here minus sign is there, a minus b. Here minus 1 by 9 minus 1 by 3. Again flower bracket. LCM is 9 minus 1 minus 3 minus 4 by 9. Whatever sign here, forget about this, sir. Again I am repeatedly telling. This flower bracket is very, very important, sir. Whatever value you get, you have to write as this. Don't bother about here minus sign, minus sign, minus sign, plus sign. All that is immaterial for us, sir. You have to see directly whatever value you get. So minus 3 into x minus 1 by 3 whole square minus 4 by 9. So this becomes whole square 2 by 3 whole square. Therefore, again I told you, bring only minus sign inside. So 2 by 3 whole square minus x minus 1 by 3 whole square. Don't forget about this, sir. If you are taking minus common, that you have to bring inside. So what will happen? Integration of 1 by 3, 1 by 2 by 3 whole square, x minus 1 by 3 whole square dx. So which formula? A minus x. So 1 by 3, 1 by 2a, a plus x minus of x minus 1 by 3, right? So 3 and 3 will get cancelled. 1 by 4 log of 2 by 3 plus x minus 1 by 3, 2 by 3 minus of, don't open the bracket, sir, it is not required, plus c. Again minus common, again bring back, again this flower bracket. These 3 steps are very, very important. Always once you remember this, you can do any problem. Please note on this. Next one. One by 3x square plus x plus 1. Again plus 1, 3 common, x by 3 plus 1 by 3. So 2b is equal to 1 by 3, b is equal to 1 by 6. Divide here, sir. So 3 into plus 1 by 6 whole square minus 1 by 6 whole square plus 1 by 3. Therefore, x plus 1 by 6 whole square minus 1 by 36 plus 1 by 3. 3 into whole square. Okay, I'll put a flower bracket. So minus 1 by 36 plus 1 by 3. LCM is 36. Minus 1 plus 12, which is 11 by 36. Right? Therefore, 3 into plus 11 by 36. Therefore, 3 into x plus 1 by 6 whole square plus root 11 by 6 whole square. Right? Therefore, 1 by 3, 1 by x plus 1 by 6 whole square plus root 11 by 6 whole square dx, which is in the form of 1 by x square plus a square, which is 1 by a tan inverse x by a. Now you have to remember this formula, sir. Then, so 1 by 3 into 1 by a means what, sir? Root 11 by 6 tan inverse x by a by A is root 11 by 6. So this 3 will get cancelled 2 times. This will go numerator, tan inverse x plus 1 by 6 by root 11 by 6. Yes. Okay. So whatever problems we have done, please go through this. Okay. Now I will give you 3-4 problems. One. Okay, try these 3 problems, sir. Okay, same model. We have to convert into these formulas. Tomorrow we are going to discuss about the square roots. Once we discuss square roots, the actual problems will come from this. Okay, note down this.